Just to learn how you're holding up, how the family's holding up, how he's holding up.
Eh, I can say nothing right now because I don't know. I not see the family yet to know how happened. I can even know what I'm.
Were you visiting Haiti?
Yeah, I was in Haiti. Then I got the news. Then I'm coming right away to come in here. But
Okay, and then you happen to be on.
yeah, yeah.
Wow. So did you talk with Misak on the plane?
No, I no talk. I no want to see him. I see him sit down there, but I know I can look at him.
How well did you know Misak? How many times have you met him, seen him?
I know I no got no good relationship with. Yeah, but my cousin was with him. I know I never pay attention. I pay attention with my cousin. Then we call him, but I
You
never.
saw where he was on the plane?
Yeah, I saw
Where
it.
was he at?
Hmm?
Where was he at?
We're in the front.
He's in the. I sit down in. I sit in on 25A. Then he's in the back.
He's in the back.
Yeah.
I got
Cousin of Misa? Cousin of Guarani.
Hmm?
you. You're a cousin of Misak?
Of Misa?
Yeah, Mr.
What do you think about all this?
Boss, I don't know. I can tell you how I feel. I can tell you what I think because it's criminal. I don't know. I don't know.
And when they got off the plane, did they go the same way as all the rest of the passengers towards here? Did you see where they went when they got off the
No,
plane?
I no look it up. I no want to see because I'm so nervous. I no looking. Somebody tell me sit down in the back of the pen. I no looking there. Just I saw her. I saw him. I think so. He's coming now. I saw him in the in the door for the immigration door.
Right inside the door there?
Yeah, that I
okay.
saw him. I know.
What's your name again? I'm sorry.
My name is Jean Thomas.
Jin Thomas?
Jean Thomas.
Is that Gin?
J